Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. If you need to remove or replace camshaft, PHASER adjusters, this is for the variable timing on BMW guys F30, F31 or F34. This is the 3 Series BMW between year 2012 and year 2019 guys. So before we start, let me guys introduce you to the channel. All the tools and parts that we use. If you need to buy new VVT adjusters for your camshafts guys, any parts, any tools for your BMW, we'll share the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Number 2, every single car that we get at the shop, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos provided to you guys. But on this generation BMW, we will have more than 500 videos guys. That's our goal. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this free information to you. Let us show you what we have here and what we'll be working on. So this is guys, okay, right here, that BMW. The only thing that we have removed is the air filter box right here, the whole assembly. Practically you don't have to remove yours, but we needed more room so we can actually shoot with the camera and explain where things are. If you want to check out the video, it's actually on our channel. But let me tell you something else. Check this channel out guys, Electrical Car Repair Live. That's our second channel, and we have quite helpful information about diagnostics, engine codes, electronics, anything like that will be posted on this channel, okay, for this BMW. So videos coming there as well. Now what do we need to do? First we need to remove the upper engine cover. Here you have guys, okay, 3 bushings that are attached, okay, and the bushings are right here, 1, 2, 3. Make sure that the rubber things don't come loose. Make sure they're still in the valve cover, sometimes they'll fall off. Some people will have foam cover here, some don't. It really depends if people removed it or not. If you have it, you don't even need to remove it. So that's where the valve cover attaches, 1, 2, 3 right here. And if you come guys right here now on your engine, okay, you're going to notice now here we're going to actually open this so you can actually see a little bit better, okay, what I'm talking about. Okay, let's remove that wiring harness. The 2 things we'll need to open at the same time, but it's actually this tooth right here that we need to lift up from underneath with a small screwdriver. So you can do that, or you can just pull the metal clips out, okay, like that, and just pull it up. Those are the VVT camshaft adjusters right here, one here, one over there. One is intake, one is exhaust. How you know that? If you come to left side of the engine, that's where your exhaust manifold is. This will be the exhaust camshaft adjuster. On the intake side will be on the right side towards the intake of the engine. Removing and replacing them guys for both is exactly the same way. I recommend to use only original ones because aftermarket ones sometimes we have problems. Press down and disconnect the wire like that. After that we have guys two bolts that we need to remove, 2 bolts, and let me show you, okay, what they look like this one. We'll actually, okay, let's find the 2 that fits. All the tools and parts that we use, we'll put links in the description of the video below. So that being said, okay, let's this is actually Torx E7 guys, or next one smaller, 6. It will be 6 guys, quite small, I'm telling you, quite small bolts. So we'll need to remove both of them. Be prepared to leak some oil out. In the meantime, soon we'll be doing timing chain replacement. This is a weak spot on that BMW, so definitely guys, check the video out. It will be complete guide from start to finish. Very, very long video that can save you thousands of dollars. So okay, now don't twist it guys, just gently. You have a seal that makes it stuck. Grab it on left, right side. Okay, you might need to get a plastic prime removal too. Don't grab on the bottom because you can actually break it. Okay, so we'll just get a small screwdriver or a small plastic tool, and don't pry too much on the valve cover because practically you can break it. Okay, and okay, we'll come loose on this side. Okay, let me see on this side a little bit. Leave the wires. So okay, perfect. seal is the one that gets stuck. It prevents oil from coming out. But this is the camshaft phaser adjuster. You can see it came out okay, just like that. So that's how we do it. The intake side will be exactly the same way. When you're ready to install, always apply a little bit of oil to the O-ring. If you need to buy a new one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. So hopefully the video will be helpful, guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.